Hey kids, this is our second lecture on English literature. We have seen a chapter named Pukan and Her Family. In this chapter, we have seen a girl whose name is Pukan and how this family they cook together, they work together, they spend lots of time together. Let us do a quick recap on the chapter and then we will solve the following exercises.
Pukan and her family. This is Pukan.
She is 6 years old. She lives in a small red house in Goa. Sam is her father. Sam is a chef. He works in a very big hotel. Her mother Anu is an artist. She paints pictures. Sam cooks for the family every Monday and Tuesday. Anu cooks every Wednesday and Thursday. Grandma cooks every Friday and Saturday. On Sundays, the family goes out to eat. This is David.
Pukan calls him Grandpa. Pukan goes to school with her grandfather.
This is Ragini.
Pukan calls her grandma.
Ragini makes delicious cakes. She has a bakery. She sells cakes and biscuits.
Kitty also lives with Pukan. Pukan takes Kitty to the park every afternoon.
In the evening, the family has dinner together.
At night, Anu reads to Pukan.
Kitty also listens to the stories and wags his tail.
He sleeps on a mat beside Pukan's bed.
So, this is the story of a Pukan. Now, we have seen new words in our previous class. Okay? Now, we are going to see synonyms. synonyms. Synonym means meaning of a word. Okay? Now, our first word is delicious. What is our first word? Delicious. So, the synonym for delicious is tasty. T-A-S-T-Y. Tasty. Our second word is wags. W-A-G-S. Wags. And the meaning, the synonym for wags is moves tail from side to side. Third is chef. A chef is a professional cook, as we all have already seen. So the synonym for chef is head cook. Next is artist. In this chapter, the synonym for artist is painter. Now, next topic is antonyms. A-N-T-O-N-Y-N-M-S. Antonyms. Antonyms means opposite word. Okay. The first word is small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Now, the opposite for small is big. B-I-G. Big. And you can see the sign over here. A cross sign. Means these both words are opposite to each other. Like day and night, right and left. Okay. Our next word is out. O-U-T. Out. And the antonym for out is N. I-N-N. Third word is clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. The antonym for clean is dirty. D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. Now kids, you have to maintain a notebook. In that you have to write the name of the chapter, that is Pukan and her family. You must have already written the new words. After that, you can write the synonyms below that or on the next page. And below synonyms, write antonyms. Now comes make sentences of your own. Here I have given two words, vague and delicious. And I have made a sentence. If you want, you can make the sentence of your own as well. Okay, so let me read the first sentence for you all. Vague. Dogs wag their tails when they are pleased. Means when the dogs are pleased. Pleased means happy. They wag their tail. They move their tail very fast. To and fro, or side by side. Our next word is delicious. My mother made me a delicious lunch. Okay, or you can write my grandma cooks delicious food. My father likes to make delicious cookies. Okay, any sentence you can make on your own as well. Okay, now moving to the next part. Answer in few words. What is the name of Puckin's dog? In this chapter, there was a dog, pet dog. What was his name? Its name? Kitty, right. So you have to write that in complete sentence. The name of Puckin's dog is Kitty. Next, what work Sam do in a hotel? Now what was he? Sam is a chef. So what does the chef does? A chef cooks. So your answer will be Sam cooks in a hotel. Next, who makes milkshake for all after dinner? Grandma. The answer is grandma, but you have to write that in complete sentence. Grandma makes milkshake for all after dinner. Next, think and answer. First question. Is Puckin's family a happy family? Now tell me, are they happy or sad? They are happy family. So you have to put a tick in front of yes. In this box, you have to put a tick. Next, your reason. Why you think the family is happy family? They cook together, so they are happy family. They work together, so they are happy family. Or they spend time together, that's why they are a happy family. Whichever is your correct answer, you have to put a tick in front of the box. So kids, the reason is this family, Puckin's family, they cook together. So you have to put a tick on this as well. Okay. They work together, they help each other. So you have to also put a tick on this box. And time. They spend time together. This after dinner, they sing song. Puckin's dad plays guitar and sings. All of them join together. So these all answer is correct. So now next is, now write the complete answer to the following question. Do you think Puckin's family is happy? Give reason for your answer. So your answer is, I think Puckin's family is happy. Or you can also write, yes, I think Puckin's family is happy because they cook, work and spend time together. So kids, here we come to the end of our chapter number 1. Now you have to go through the chapter, you have to read the chapter, you have to learn those hard words, or you can say new words as well. You have to learn the synonyms, antonyms, okay, and the question answers as well. Thank you. Have a good day.